Warren Buffett once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." And that couldn't be more true. Look at the world's most successful people: Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, Mark Cuban. What do they all have in common? They value learning. They commit to expanding their knowledge every single day. Warren Buffett, one of the richest people on the planet, is famous for reading more than 5 hours a day. Bill Gates, he devours a book every week. Mark Cuban, he dedicates 3 hours daily to reading. Oprah, she's obsessed with books. The pattern is clear. Successful people never stop learning. Imagine if you were given $86,400 every day. The catch? You have to spend it all, because at the end of the day, it disappears. You can't save it. You can't get it back. What would you do? You'd use every single dollar wisely, right? Now think about this. Every single day, you are given 86,400 seconds. And just like that money, once time is gone, it's gone forever. Yet most people waste it, scrolling endlessly, playing video games, doing things that add no value to their future. But not you. You have a choice. You can invest your time in something meaningful, learn something new, build a future where you can do what you love. Most people let time slip through their fingers without a second thought. But you have a gift, a chance to use every moment wisely. Be productive, be intentional. Build a future where your time is spent doing what you love, not just what you have to do. Don't waste time on things that don't matter. Instead, invest in yourself. Read books, study, develop skills, because the time you spend partying, scrolling, or playing video games, it's gone forever. But the knowledge you gain, that stays with you for life. Too many people give up on their dreams because they fail once. Students stop chasing their ambitions because of one bad test. And the saddest part? Many don't even try their best because deep down they already believe they will fail. But failure is never the end, unless you stop trying. If you quit, you kill your dreams. But if you keep pushing, every setback will only make you stronger. Dream big, work hard, and never stop believing in yourself. Life will challenge you. You will stumble, you will fail. But failure is not the opposite of success. It's a step toward it. The only way to truly fail is to stop trying. If you want results you've never had, you must be willing to do things you've never done. Success requires growth. Growth requires learning. Push yourself to become the person you are meant to be. The richest man in the world, Bill Gates, was once asked what superpower he would choose. His answer? "I'd want the ability to read books faster." That tells you everything you need to know. Knowledge is power. And the more you learn, the more you grow. Success isn't just about money, fame, or luxury. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. You will fall, you will struggle. But what matters is that you get back up, stronger, wiser, and more determined. Build a mindset that refuses to quit. Refuse to doubt yourself, because doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Wherever you are, whatever your dreams may be, chase them relentlessly. Your future self is counting on you. Now go and make it happen.